Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about how you can run the Google Earth Flight Simulator using a Pxn V3 steering wheel, my friends. So my friends, first of all, I'm going to tell you that Google Earth is now available on the web version. So to make things easier, I would advise you to use the app, the main desktop app, which is more doesn't have that much problems, my friends, as this is a new initiative from Google, my friends. So go to earth.google.com/web. Once you are there, my friends, let us first navigate this flight simulator. So you write flight in the search box and you'll see this UK flight simulator. Once you are over there, my friends, go to tools and go to flight simulator, my friends, inside Google Earth Pro. So you are inside the flight simulator, my friends, and it looks pretty well, my friends. Let's press the keys. Right, you can see I have pressed the right key, left key, so it's working properly, my friends. And to give it a thrust, you press the up key. So you can see all the hotkeys, my friends. That's not the problem. The problem is connecting the Pxn V3, my friends. So if you see, my friends, what you need to do is install a software called joytokey. Once you install this software, my friends, joytokey, you will see this profile of Pxn V3. So my friends, here is my V3 steering. So when I press right, you will see a yellow button over there. So click it and press. I'll click it in front of you guys, my friends. This was it. This was the yellow button, and just press the right key on the keyboard and press OK, my friends. Press OK. Once you are done, my friends, I'll show you this in action now, how this is working. So I'll restart. And now let's control it via the V3 controller, my friends. So I'll move it to the right, my friends. So it's moving to the right, my friends. It's working. It's working fine, my friends. Similarly, you have to do the other keys as well, my friends. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.